Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 20th. We are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir, dropped a little bit today. So we are down 47 cents, 1.9% at 24.22, all even numbers. Post-market, we are at 24.13, down 9 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the charts. Yesterday, we were pretty strong. So we made a higher low and a higher high, and we even crossed 25. Today, we opened right here, so opened higher than where we were yesterday, so that's all good. We went up to 25, and then the selling pressure took over. So the stock went down, and look at this. It stopped right perfectly on the bottom part of our symmetrical triangle. Okay, this is a little bit of a disappointment, I'm not gonna lie. So we are making a lower high and a lower low, but we are still above this support right here. So we can always dream that we are going to remain above this support. Let's look at the 1 hour chart to see if we cannot understand why this happened. So we opened right here. So pretty much at the same place that we closed yesterday, went high and went right down to 24.34. So another not coincidence. So 24.34 was a support that held during the first hour, second hour, third hour, and then we fell down a little bit down to this support here. And on the intraday chart, we even crossed that support. And we see stochastic pretty low at 22. MACD crossed over today after approximately at the second hour. On the intraday chart, things are not looking that good. Let's go back to the daily chart. So we still have our 23.74 support in play. The stock is still in a congestion zone between 23.74 and 25. So I think we can hold on to that. I don't believe too much in this symmetrical triangle because this was pretty steep and then it got rejected right here. This is just a feeling, but I think the support is going to go away. I'm almost willing to do this now. Let's look at our indicators. So stochastic at 19, so plunging a little bit. RSI, not much else to say. MACD crossed over is still crossed over. So we still have a crossed over bullish where the blue line is over the orange line. This is what we want. So at least this is holding. And we also have the DMI, which is still crossed over bullish. As usual, the stock can play right here without asking any permission to anybody. We just need to have a little bit more patience for the stock. It's going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a little bit over a week of trading for us to definitely get out of this bearish channel. So I just cannot wait. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.